Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You need the right gear, an NFC-capable phone and a blank tag with enough capacity. First, enable NFC in your device settings and keep the screen unlocked. Open your NFC Writer app and create a new write task. Choose the record type you want, for example, a URL or NDEF text. Once you've prepared the payload, make sure the tag lies flat on a non-metal surface and position it near your phone's antenna. Tap the app's Write button to begin the actual transfer step. Once recording begins, the app will prompt you to tap the tag, hold it steady and centered over the antenna until the app signals success. Make sure the payload fits the tag's byte limit, trim or compress text if necessary, because partial writes cause corrupted records. After writing, immediately use the app's Read or Verify feature to confirm the NDEF structure, the UID, and that the exact content is present. If you plan multiple records, repeat Write then Verify for each record to avoid overriding important data. Finish by deciding whether to lock the tag or leave it rewritable. Lock only when you are certain the content is final because locking is irreversible. If you need controlled rewrites, apply password protection per the tag type instead. Test the tag with the devices and orientations it will face in real use to confirm consistent reads. If you encounter failures, try the key troubleshooting tip. Remove phone cases or magnetic mounts, move away from metal surfaces, and retry with the tag.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.